Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it to watch latest tech videos before anyone else. Hi friends, myself Darshan Kumar Das. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magics. So today I'm going to show you something else. Today I'm not going to show you something new app related videos, that is how you can download the mod version of any app or something like that. Today I'm going to show you something else, a crazy comparison between same app but of different platform. That is, I am going to show you the comparison between PUBG mobile and PUBG desktop version. So without any further delay, let's get started. So friends, what I am going to say you and rather show you is that I have noticed the crazy thing between PUBG mobile and PUBG desktop. Why it happens I don't know, but I want to show you because I feel it crazy. So moving to back, I'm back camera, I am going to show you that thing. So friends, in front of me you can see I have kept both my smartphone as well as my PC. So I mean my old smartphone. So what I'm going to show you today is that the price comparison between PUBG desktop version and PUBG mobile version. So here I'm going to Play Store. So I am typing here, sorry, here PUBG, here only it came. So as you can see, it's here and it's absolutely free. That is, you don't need to pay to install this game or download this game, whatever you say. But in PC, just see what's the case. I am straightly going to Windows Store and going to search. Sorry. So as you can see, in one only it's coming, even in PC. It's PUBG 2. I mean, it's 2 PUBG only, but it's of desktop version. So what I'm going to show you is that here in desktop it's 1990 rupees. Isn't that crazy? In mobile you can download PUBG for free, but for computer you need to pay almost 2000 rupees just to play what? To play PUBG. Yeah, PUBG is very good game, I agree, but is there any reason why there is a huge price difference between mobile PUBG and desktop PUBG? Is there any difference, or rather better to say, is there hell and heaven difference between mobile PUBG and computer PUBG. As you can see in my mobile, I mean not only my, obviously everyone's mobile. In mobile PUBG, the PUBG is available for free. You can just tap here, install, accept, and it will start downloading the PUBG. 1.3 GB game, so it will take much time. It started downloading. I will not download because my old phone on this phone is not that much fast that PUBG can run smoothly. Leave all that, but see, in case of PC, it's nearly 2000 rupees. To download this game for PC, you need to tap here buy, then what sort. You have to re-enter your password for Microsoft Store. Then you have to go to various steps, and then you and anyhow how you have to pay for the desktop PUBG. So this is all what I want to show you in this video. Today I have not shown you any apps related something like how to download more version of any app or something about good application. I have just shown you the comparison between mobile PUBG and desktop PUBG. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you don't like this video, then please hit the dislike button and comment below the reason for your dislike. Once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon beside it to watch my latest video or the latest video of Smart Tech Magics before anyone else. Up till then, goodbye. See you soon.